Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Fatima Adnan, living in Pakistan and being a wife and working wife here in Pakistan. So now today is another day. The new chapter of oh my god. So now guys, just now I come here in upstairs because I go downstairs for making breakfast of my boss. Yes, and then after I'm making breakfast and then I'm also take my breakfast. That I'm not take video because yeah, and then I'm here in upstairs for waiting to my madam if she wake up because I'm also making breakfast with her and yes, and then we make food for dinner. Yes guys, that is my everyday routine here in this home. But in my madam home, not like this. Other routine. Yes, guys. It's so hot, guys. Oh my god. Even you have ceiling fan or electric fan or any. Oh my god. Because no aircon. Not same in my work in Saudi Arabia. I have aircon in my own room. But it's okay. We can survive that. Yes, we can survive. Guys, it's so hot here in Pakistan. Even become more hot if after the rain. After the rain, oh my God, so hot. Even you getting shower, but still hot. Yes. Today is Monday, guys. That's why my boss calling me and message me for making him breakfast. Charot. Bur. My room is in front of the new home in the neighborhood. So hot, guys. My God. I can imagine this kind of place. If hot, hot. If cold, cold. Oh. But it's okay. We come here for your husband and for your job. So don't react. Don't react. You deserve it. Ah, joke. I come here because I feel bored and downstairs. I am alone. My coworker is not here. Maybe next Saturday she come. Yes. Oh. my vitamins. Because just vitamin C. Matamis siya. So sweet. My God, my camera. I believe I can fly. Oh, so hot. Oh my God. Even in night time, it's so hot also. My husband messages me. My hair is, I want to dry my hair. So now guys, I need to buy. So please, please support my YouTube channel and subscribe and like. So bye bye, Allah Hafiz.